money chapter. Okay, in this chapter you all are knowing about the money. You have seen the coin, money, everything. No, at home you are seeing. So I will show you some coins and money. Okay. So Indian currency comes in two unit, rupees and paisa. Indian currency we are having that comes in two unit. Okay, Indian currency comes in two units. What is that? Rupees and paisa. Rupees and paisa. Indian currency comes in two unit, rupees and paisa. So I will show you the Indian currency today. Okay. So what is this? This is rupees, Indian currency. In two, it is coming in 2 unit rupees. This is 10 rupees. Okay. And these all are what? Paisa. These all are paisa. Coins you are saying no? These all are coins we are saying what? Paisa. So this Indian currency, it comes in 2 unit. What are they? They are rupees and paisa. Okay. Now you can see that what is this? This is a 10 rupees. This is a 10 rupees. So if you will take 5 rupees, 5, this is coin, no? 5 rupees coin and 5 rupees coin. If you will take 2 5 rupees coin, then it will become what? It will become 10 rupees coin. It will become what? 10 rupees coin. Understood? So 5 rupees plus 5 rupees equal to what? 10 rupees. That is clear to you all? So students, 5 rupees plus 5 rupees equal to 10 rupees. This is when you will add 5 rupees plus 5 rupees, what you will get? 10 rupees note. So what you have seen today? Today you have seen that Indian currency, that what we are using Indian currency, yes. This Indian currency comes in 2 unit. One is rupees, other one is paisa. And I have shown you the paisa and rupees. So paisa, that is the coin, and notes are known as the rupees. Okay. So the coins, what is that? Here you can see the coins, 1 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins, 5 rupees coins. These are all 10 rupees coins. These all are the coins. These are known as what? Paisa. And rupees you have seen that 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. These all are known as what? Rupees. These rupees, what will you say? We are saying this notes, no? What we say this? Notes. Yes? So I have shown you what I have shown you today. Today I have shown you notes also. No, one note I am showing you. What is this, student? This is a note. Yes. So note, what we call? Note we call rupees. This note what we call? Rupees. This is a 10 rupees note. We are calling note rupees. And coin, what we call? These all are the coins. See, 5 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, yes. 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin, okay. 1 rupees coin and 2 rupees coin. These coins, what we say? These coins we say paisa. What we say? Coins we say paisa. So it is clear to you all that coins and notes. What we say to the coins? We call it rupees having 2 units. What are the 2 units? One rupees and other one is paisa. Okay. So one question is here. Ritu and Anil each want to buy a bat. Cost of that is rupees 70. Ritu has a 2 note of rupees 50 and 20. Will she able to buy the bat? So 2 note Ritu is having. One is 50 and one is 20. So you can add that 150 plus 20. What you will get? 70 rupees. So Ritu and Anil both can buy the bat. Understood? So this is the addition of money. Clear to you all? Now with the figure, if any figure is given to you, this rupees and paisa, you can write it in word and you can write it in figure. So what you will write in word? This is 10 rupees. So in figure you will write 10. What is this in figure? This rupees you can write in figure and also in word. Okay. So amount you, next one is that amount you can write in yes, amount you can write this 10 rupees. Yes, this is the amount. Note this. What is this? This is the amount of 10 rupees. This you can write in figure and also in word. So how you will write in figure? In figure, yes, you can write in figures and in words. In figures, in words. Okay, this you can write in figures and also in word. So in figure, what you will write here? 10. Yes. And word, what you will write? 10 rupees. Word, what you will write here? 10 rupees. Understood? It is clear? If any amount is given there, you can write that amount in figure and also in word. Okay? You can write the amount in figure and also in word. Okay? Suppose you think this amount you are given 110 rupees and 5 rupees. Then what you will write in figure? In figure you will write 15 rupees. Yes? Figure what you will write? 15. 10 plus 5, 15. And in word what you will write? 15 rupees. Yes? What you will write? 15 rupees. Suppose you think that if 500 rupees note is here. Yes? What is this? 500 rupees note. So what you will write here? Rupees 500. And here you will what you will write in what? 500 rupees. What you will write here? 500 rupees. So it is clear to you all? If it is given to you all that amount, so you have to write in figure and also in word. So it is easy. By seeing the amount you can write in figure and also in word. Okay. 10 rupees write rupees 10, rupees 10. And 10 plus 5, that is 15, you can write there 15 rupees. Rupees 500, so you can write there 500 rupees. So what you have learned today, we have started money chapter. In that money chapter you have seen what? Indian currency. Indian currency having two units, you are knowing. One is rupees, note, rupees, and these all are what? Paisa. Rupees and paisa Indian currency is having. Okay. So you have seen that this rupees is, we also call it note, and this paisa we call coins. Yes, these all are what? Coins. After that, what you have seen, that how you will write the amount in figure and in word. How you will write the amount in figure and in word. If it is given amount 10 rupees, so in figure how you will write rupees 10, and in word what you will write, that 10 rupees. If it is given 10 plus 5, so in figure you can write rupees 15, and there you can write 15 rupees. If it is given 500, so you can write rupees 500, and there 500 rupees. Clear it is? Today this much only. Next class again I will continue with other topic. Thank you everyone.